Alright, I'm going to be installing the Atlas throttle lock on my BMW R Nine T. I have one of these on one of my motorcycles already, and I really like it, so much so that I bought the lower mount for my BMW R Nine T. My other bike is a DR 650. I have the top mount on that one, so that's why I couldn't change it over. So the first step is to find the pad that fits, and then what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning off the surface with the alcohol wipe provided in the kit. And then I found the like little shim that fits in the best, so I've gone ahead and picked that one. So I've got the shim installed. Now I'm going to try to fit the lock in here. So if I've selected the correct shim when I had to really tweak the throttle lock to get it in the right position where it wouldn't hang up, and after about 10 minutes or so playing with it, I've finally got it to work to where I think it should do what I need it to. So the idea would be you would obviously lock it in place and it holds, and then intuitively release. So that's the desired result, just to take some of that strain off of my wrist when I'm riding. Also, I've noticed it seems to, my hand won't get as numb as fast, so that's pretty much it for the Atlas throttle lock. I would recommend one, and I think when you compare it to the bar end type of throttle lock, I've had one of those on my F800 GS, and it's very I guess counterintuitive. You know, you're rolling the lock forward, but your throttle needs to go back, and it's not as quick and as easily engaged and disengaged as this. This I really like. With my gloves on or off, the operation is just quick and simple.